Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the device runs the required iOS or Mac OS update and FaceTime is updated. This prevents compatibility issues. Next, open FaceTime settings and make sure screen sharing and microphone/camera access are enabled so the stream can include audio and video. Once done, start or join the FaceTime call, then tap the Share Content or Screen button to initiate sharing. This first action triggers the operating system prompt that actually grants screen capture permissions. Now focus on permission granularity and selection. When the OS prompts for screen recording permission, grant it for FaceTime. Without this, the share stays blank. Then choose whether to share your whole screen, a specific app window, or a browser tab. Selecting the right option reduces audio routing conflicts and preserves privacy. Also make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb is off and quit heavy apps, since CPU or audio device conflicts can block the video or sound from reaching the FaceTime share. Finish by confirming the other participant sees and hears your share. If the screen is black or audio is missing, restart FaceTime or reboot the device to reinitialize capture. If problems continue, switch the audio input and output to the correct device and test with a second person to isolate the issue. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset FaceTime privacy permissions or install pending OS updates. Then, if network jitter persists, use a wired connection for the most reliable screen share performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.